My name is Ramesh. I'm a very homely person. 7 o'clock I go for a walk. So listening to music, spending time with the family. I read a lot of books, listen to music. The first time I've seen an ad in Facebook of Bonito and the kind of houses which I looked at as they have sent me the links, I really liked it. So I had a visualization where we need to have a bigger TV. We need to have a setup wherein it should be a little more theatrical. All those wall management, how it should be, where we need to keep the pots and what level of pots needs to be looked at, how it should be, what plants needs to be there. So exactly we worked on what Bonito has said and what Heera has said. When I looked at the hall, it has come out exactly the way I dreamt it. Most importantly, I had a dream where I should have a bar kind of a thing. She crafted it beautifully. How this glass should hang and how it should be. Coming from a very conservative family, my mother and father never allow that. But then I have to align her. It is one of those dreams which I need to accomplish. My wife, she had this dream of making the house beautiful.
Hi, I'm Latha. I'm a homemaker. ये घर का सबसे अच्छा पार्ट मेरे बेटे का घर रूम लगता है. मैं और वो मिलकर उसको डेकोर किए हैं.
The master bedroom is very superbly done. Even the wallpaper which we have used it, and then Heera made it beautifully. A lot of happiness I have. I get a lot of pleasantries when I see this house made. It's nothing but a temple for us. You really work hard for what? For 2 or 3 good things which you need to accomplish in life. And one is you have your own home, which you have made it. You have designed yourself. You had that visualization how it should look like. And once you are in, you get all those positive energy by looking at things, what you dreamt it, and you see. When you give your work to a professional guy, you don't have to look at. You only have to come and see once the job is completed.
I like my house very much. I'm fully satisfied with the Bonito.